Yo, 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 Rim Doctor 901 coming back. So, it's part two of wheel repair. So, we had this aftermarket, it's going on a BMW, and we had really, really bad curb rash. We are done with the grinding. Took a 36 grit, 2-inch, hard sandpaper. Hard sandpaper. That's what takes off the real deep curb rash. Then we took 80, 120. Now this is nice and smooth overall. I mean, we still got one more, maybe two more sessions to go, but it doesn't take long to do. Probably 20 minutes all the way around. Just making sure you get everything. I still got to get inside these spokes. Still got a little bit right in there, right here, inside there. A little bit, just a little bit here and there. So right there. But yeah, check out part one, man. See, the thing with these wheels, I know you can't really tell. You may not be able to see the angles, but man, you got to keep these angles and these. This wheel slopes down. All this right here was all. Those are all the dips. Each spot he hit it in. So we got that on, we got that pretty well. Yeah, this wheel stand's pretty cool, man. I didn't really, for this wheel, I had to use a screwdriver, put it into the wheel, so that way it didn't move. So, because it just kept spinning. Anyways, yeah, man. So we're gonna finish sanding. We're gonna prep it for paint. We're gonna put some black. We're gonna put some silver. We're gonna put some clear coat on there, man. We're gonna get this baby looking brand new. Um, it is probably 40 degrees outside now, so it is warm enough to paint. You don't want to paint below freezing. I don't recommend it. Don't recommend it. But this wheel's gonna come out looking good, man. Y'all check out part one so you can see how bad it was. But I think once it's all said and done, I'm gonna combine all these videos together so that way everybody gets a good view of, perspective of a really good wheel repair. So y'all take care. Y'all thanks for watching. Rim Doctor 901. I will be back. Y'all take care.